Hello students, now we are going to start with our next lecture on arrays programs. We are going to do more programs on arrays. Previous slide we have done about searching, sorting, all and extra programs also. Now we are going to do more programs on array. Okay, so beta on this array, your two things are not in your syllabus. The syllabus has been reduced. First, the second dimension array is not going to be teach you all, and in single dimension array selection and binary search is not there. Selection, sorting and binary search according to the reduced array, but I have taught you all in the previous PPT because it is very important part of your single dimension array, and single dimension array is not completed without that, without the whole searching and whole sorting. Thus there are only two searching and two sorting, so you all have gone through with the both of them. Okay, now we are going to do extra program on arrays. See, first we are going to do a program, write a program to accept 20 integers in a single dimension array, and we have to display number of even numbers, number of odd numbers and number of multiples of 4. See, this is your line comment here to display number of even, odd and multiples of number. With the scanner we are going to make. Okay, here we have an input a number. Here 10 integers are there, but we have to input here 20 numbers. So make it 20. Okay, here it is misprint. It is not 10. It is 20. Now the loop will come. We have input here number. Now for I is equal to here there it will work to 20. Now if ai is module is equal to 0, means remainder comes 0, then it is even number. If remainder comes uh, not 0, then it is odd number. And if remainder comes by dividing 0, then it is your multiple of 4. See here, all the three things are there, then we have printed here. Beta, you all have to write here variable description. In the program, variable description is not written, but in each and every program, you all have to write below your variable description. Now next program is there. In a class, the mathematics teacher gave an assignment to her students to find the area of a scalene triangle. However, she writes a program taking the length of sides as input and calculates its area. Further, she enters the answer obtained by all 40 students in a single dimension array. The program compares the area calculated by the teacher and the stored and display the number of students. Write a program in Java to solve this problem. Okay, see here. Now we have taken a program. Program has been written. Scalene, you have to find out what the formula of scalene. Okay, then 40 students how they have done their program. The method is there. The formula is there. Mat dot square root. Yeah, here we have find out area. And now if answer I is equal to the, it will check by the teacher. If it is equal, how many students have given the right answer, the count variable will increase. This is your count variable, one by one. Okay, the count variable will increase one by one, and here we will get answer that how many number of students given the correct copy, the C will be printed, and else the triangle formation is not possible. Now we will write next program is there. Write a program to accept roll numbers and the marks secured in computer application by 40 students in a class in a single dimension array. Sort these marks obtained in descending order. Finally, display the roll number and marks of each student in a sorted number. In this, we have to take 40 students roll numbers and their marks, and then we have to write the all the marks in the descending order, okay, by the help of sorting. Any technique you can use, selection or bubble. Since selection is not coming in your, it has been reduced, so you have to use bubble sorting. Okay, see here roll number has been entered, and here marks of the first marks will be, roll number will be there, then marks, roll number, marks, roll number, marks, like that we there will be 40 students. Okay, Then we have taken here till 39. Now we are doing our bubble sorting here. As we are, so we will take less. You can take here 40 also, 39 also, all will work. When marks J is less than marks J1, then we here is a swapping. Swapping has been done of roll number swapping, of marks swapping. Okay, see all the swapping. Then we have print here roll number, and after that the here the marks. Whatever the roll number is there, what marks is going, and like that we are going to get our program in a descending order. Okay, this is your bubble sorting has been done here. Now this program is there. Write a program to accept 20 integers in a single dimension array using menu driven approach to display as per user's choice. See, you have to find out in this program all the perfect number is stored in the arrow and all the buzz numbers is stored in the array. Here the definition has been given what is the perfect number and buzz number. I think this program you all have done in your in ninth, buzz number and perfect number. So now you all have to do this program in a single dimension array. So this is your this program you all have to do in your registers. All the programs you all have to do, but this is a task for you all. You all have to do this program in your registers. Okay. So there is no solution of this program I have given here. You all have to write this program by your own only. Now all the PDF I am going to send of this PPT, each and every program of this PPT should be in your class registers, and the register should be very neat and clean. The work should be done neatly and cleanly.